Knee pain with bending? Can't squat to pick up objects or walk because of knee discomfort? I'm Dr. L, and in this video, I'm going to give you my go-to physical therapy plan that works. You'll get 3 fast-acting exercises plus a bonus move that will help relieve knee discomfort. Let's fix your knee pain now. First up is my viral towel trick. If you get sharp pain bending your knee, this can reduce the pressure immediately. Grab a towel, roll it up. The towel roll should be 2 to 3 inches thick, and place it behind your knee. Now gently bend your leg, keeping the towel in place, and do this 10 to 15 times. By performing this exercise, you're opening up the knee joint, allowing synovial fluid to enter and help loosen up the entire joint. This anterior translation of the knee is key to improving knee mobility. The next exercise I call open the gate. You lie on your side, keep your leg straight, bring your leg up, rotate your hip out and back. By doing this, you strengthen the external hip rotators. The external hip rotators are important in stabilizing the knee while you're walking or going up and down stairs to prevent the knee from tweaking inwards. It's a 3-in-1 motion. Once you get this down, you're going to have strong hips and very stable knees. Perform this exercise for 3 sets of 10. The next exercise are the quad sets. Perform this exercise 10 times with a 10-second hold. Put a towel roll under your knee. Push your knee down into the towel while tightening up your quadricep muscles. You can even perform this on both knees. Make sure to bring your ankle back as well to get full tension. Next up, the bonus exercise. This is called a patellar tilt. Notice how I'm pushing one side of the patella or kneecap and then moving to the other side. This is going to increase the synovial fluid once again, promoting healing and mobility in the knee. Then move on to tilting the patella up as well as down as shown. Do this 5 to 10 times. Next, the patella glide. We're gliding the kneecap back and forth, as well as gliding the kneecap up and down. A sure way to gain full knee mobility. Try this series daily. Tell me which exercise helped the most in the comments below. Like and subscribe to my channel for more PT-proven pain relief.